You can customize your homepage by using favorites. The Favorites feature provides a convenient and fast way to find and use your favorite content without having to search for it. From the homepage, favorites appear in the Favorites section of the Home view. From the Legacy homepage, favorites appear in the Resources tree. Favorites can be reports, graphs, hyperlinks, reporting objects, and other item types. You can add items to favorites from any view of the homepage. To designate an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Add to Favorites. To remove an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Remove from Favorites. You can interact with favorite items once they are saved. If you right-click an item, you can view and edit its properties. You can also select from additional options, such as Run, depending on file type. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.